All right, it's time to look at a different type of table now. In the previous example that I gave you, we were looking at one variable. And that one variable happened to be eye color. Okay, that's what we were looking at. Eye color was our variable, and we created a frequency distribution or a frequency table. But what if we wanted to compare more than one variable? Like in this case, I'm going to look at two variables. And the two variables that I'm going to look at, I'm still going to consider eye color, but now I want to look also at the gender of the people that I surveyed. So if I break this table down into eye color and gender both, I am creating a contingency table because each variable is contingent on the other variable. Thus the name contingency table. All right, so let's break this down and let's see how this looks. For the blue eyes, we had 20 altogether, but let's say there were 15 male and only 5 were female that had blue eyes. And then we go to the brown eyes, and we have 20 males with brown eyes, 25 females with brown eyes. 15 green or other altogether, and we see that there were 8 males that had green eyes and 7 females that had green eyes. And now we want to go ahead and total these up. So once again, here we have our 20. Change that to a different color, 20. Here's our 45. Here's our 15. And then we can also see the breakdown of males and females. 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 plus 8 gives us 35 plus 8 gives us our 43. And then 5 plus 25 is 30. 30 plus 7 is our 37. And then we see that all together we have a total of 80, which is the 80 that we started with. So down here we have a contingency table. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a little bit, but contingency tables, you're comparing two variables, whereas just a regular frequency distribution, you're pretty much looking at one variable.